What's up, productive people? It's Connor from BusyBox, and in this video, we're gonna go over how to use the animations feature on your BusyBox Standard. All right, let's start off by opening up the BusyBox app. Once you have the BusyBox app open, step one is select your BusyBox and the preset where you want to set up the light animation. Step two is to pick a color. Let's side swipe to colors and we'll go with red. Let's put the brightness at about 75%. Step three is to add an animation. So side swipe again and we see the animation's type and speed. Touch the animations button and we see a whole array of options. Let's go with blink. Now let's go back and adjust the speed to right about there. Hit save. If we want to use multicolor animations, the app has a few to choose from, with more on the way. If we go back to the animations button, at the bottom you will see scenes. This feature is great if you want a nice relaxing gradient that loops between colors or a fun rainbow pattern. Let's go with the rainbow scene. And now let's set a speed. Be on the lookout for more scenes coming in future updates. Little pro tip, you'll notice that any preset with an animation has this little FX icon on the preset and device menu. Finally, to turn animations off for a preset, you simply toggle animations off by using the switch on the top right corner of the animations picker section. A quick note, if you turn the toggle off, you will need to select an effect when you turn it back on. Please check out the entire series of YouTube videos we've created to help you troubleshoot any problems you may run into, show you all the features of our products and apps, and we even offer pro tips for those looking to deep dive. To access all of our videos, click the link in the description below to navigate to our channel. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you want to be alerted when we post new content, explain new features, and launch new products.